What do you think?
He likes it.
So, lay your gun down on the decoy. Careful. And let's roll him over and see what your beard and your spurs look like.
Uh-huh.
Get his head out from under. Oh man, he bled out, didn't he?
Yeah.
Grab those feet. Let's see what you got. Oh, great spurs.
They're pretty big.
Yeah. Sharp, big spurs.
Yeah, they're pretty sharp.
Right there. Now what about his beard? Drag him out here a little bit. Off that blood. Now what's his beard look like there? Good looking
It's
beard.
got
Oh, he's
kinda
got
cut
kind of
off.
tore some off, didn't he? Yeah. But he's still got a good long beard.
Yeah. See, look right there, curve.
He smoked him.
Yeah, and see where the main bullet part went?
Yeah?
Right in the waddle.
What do you think? Look at me. You like it?
Yeah.
Are you hooked?